So, do you know what the importance is of the 1982 Charter of Rights and Freedoms for Canada? And today we are talking about Section 12 and 13 in Part 8 of my Know Your Charter series. So, let's find this all out. Hi, for those who don't know me, my name is Karen. I'm the host of Thriving Talk, and welcome to my Know Your Charter series. So to answer the question of what is the importance of the Charter of Rights and Freedoms from 1982, it is a Bill of Rights. It's a statement of rights and freedoms that was added to the Constitution in 1982. And it's a powerful legal tool that protects those living in Canada from breaches of specific rights and freedoms from the federal and provincial government. So this is why it's important. These documents do not give you the rights and freedoms. They are to make sure that the governments uphold your God-given freedoms and rights. So this is why this document is so important. So I hope you will join me and get more familiar with this document. So before we dive into Section 12, I just want to share a little disclaimer that I am not a constitutional expert. I am not a legal expert. I am just a Canadian citizen who wants to review and more fully understand our Charter of Rights and Freedoms, and thought it would be wise to share this review with others so that they can learn along with me. So let's dive in now. So Section 12 talks about our legal rights, the treatment or punishment of Canadian citizens. It says everyone has the right not to be subjected to any cruel and unusual treatment or punishment. So this prohibits the treatment and punishment by the state that are cruel and unusual. This includes torture, excessive or abusive use of force by law enforcement. Also, sentences of imprisonment must match the seriousness of the crime. All right, so what do you think? How is Canada doing? Are they upholding our rights? Do you know of any instances where perhaps these rights are being violated? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Everyone's opinions matter, but also remember to be respectful and kind of those who might differ in opinion from you. Okay, so let's go into Section 13. Section 13 says, a witness so this has to do with self-incrimination, and it says a witness who testifies in any proceedings has the right not to have any incriminating evidence so given used to incriminate that witness in any other proceedings, except in a prosecution for perjury or for giving of contradictory evidence. Okay, so this says witnesses who give evidence in the court cannot have their testimony used against them in other proceedings. So in other words, if the testimony of a witness shows that he or she has committed a crime, that evidence cannot be used by the prosecution to prove that the witness has committed an offense. The exception is where a witness commits the crime of perjury, which is the offense of lying to the court. In that case, the testimony of the witness may be used to show that he or she lied in court. Okay, so that is what Section 13 is about. Let me know how you think Canada is doing. Are our federal and provincial governments upholding this section of our Charter of Rights and Freedoms? Let me know in the comments below. Okay, so I just wanted to share a quote. Okay, so this is a quote from Albert Einstein. I have quoted him before. He is not a Canadian citizen, but he has a lot of wisdom to share with people. So I thought that this applied to what we were talking about today. So he said, in matters of truth and justice, there is no difference between large and small problems, for issues concerning the treatment of people are all the same. What do you think of Albert Einstein's words? Was he onto something? Does he know what he's talking about? Are these words we should listen to? So he's saying issues concerning the treatment of people are all the same. So if you are enjoying my Know Your Charter series, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And of course, if you have found value in learning about Section 12 and 13 of the Charter of Rights and Freedoms, let me know also by liking. And don't forget to subscribe so you can have a review of all the other sections of the Charter of Rights and Freedoms, as well as benefit from the other series I have going on in Thriving Talk, where we learn to thrive mentally, spiritually, and physically. And feel free to share this video with others so that they can benefit from a little review of the Charter of Rights and Freedoms as well. Well, when we all learn about our rights, what we are entitled to, and what the government is supposed to be upholding, we are more knowledgeable, and with knowledge is power, and we can be a more thriving people. So learn your charter, be confident in your knowledge in it, and let's all thrive together. So until next time, bye.